Hello, my dear friend. I am so happy you are here today. This is day 1 of your English speaking journey, and I want you to know something before we begin. You do not need a perfect teacher sitting beside you. You do not need expensive classes. You do not need to know every grammar rule before you start speaking. Today, all you need is your voice, your ears, your curiosity, and your willingness to practice. That is enough. Take a slow, comfortable breath and relax your shoulders. This is a safe place to learn. There is no test waiting for you. There are no grades. There is no one here to laugh at your mistakes. Every mistake is a small step forward, because every mistake teaches you something new. So, smile and tell yourself, I can learn English. I can speak English. I will improve every single day. Today, we are not trying to become perfect. We are simply training our mouth to move naturally in English. The more you listen, the more familiar English becomes. The more you repeat, the stronger your confidence grows. Think about a baby learning to speak. A baby does not study grammar books. A baby listens every day. A baby hears the same words again and again. Then one day, the baby speaks. You can learn English in a similar way. Listen carefully, repeat often, practice every day. Now let's begin with some easy sentences. Listen to each one, then repeat it aloud. Don't whisper. Use your normal speaking voice. Hello, hello. How are you? I am fine. I am happy today. I am ready to learn. I can do this. English is becoming easier for me. Very good. If your pronunciation is not perfect, don't stop. Keep going. Confidence grows through practice, not through waiting. Imagine you wake up in the morning. The sun is shining through your window. You stretch your arms, smile, and start your day. Say these sentences with me. Good morning, today is a beautiful day. I feel fresh, I feel strong. I am thankful for this new day. I will practice English today. Excellent. Now imagine you walk to the kitchen. You are making breakfast. Maybe you make tea, coffee, eggs, or toast. Practice these simple sentences. I am hungry. I am making breakfast. I like hot tea. This smells good. The food is delicious. I eat slowly. I drink water every morning. Wonderful. You are already speaking complete English sentences. You do not need difficult vocabulary to sound confident. Simple English spoken clearly is powerful. Now imagine you are getting ready to leave your home. You put on your shoes and check your bag. Repeat after me. Where are my keys? I have my phone. I am ready to go. Let's go. Have a nice day. See you later. These are short sentences, but they are used every day by millions of English speakers. When you repeat useful sentences many times, your brain begins to remember them naturally. Now, let's practice meeting someone for the first time. Hello. My name is Sarah. What is your name? Nice to meet you. How are you today? I am doing well. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Imagine you are speaking with a kind friend. Smile while you speak. Smiling changes your voice. It makes your English sound warm and friendly. Sometimes English learners become nervous because they think too much. They worry about grammar. They worry about making mistakes. They worry about what other people think. Today I want you to forget those worries. Your goal is not to impress people. Your goal is to communicate. Communication is more important than perfection. Let's practice confidence. I am learning every day. I am getting better. I am not afraid of mistakes. My mistakes help me grow. I enjoy learning English. I speak a little better every day. Very good. Keep your voice strong and clear. Now imagine you visit a small coffee shop. The person behind the counter smiles at you. Listen and repeat. Hello. Can I have a cup of coffee, please? Can I have some tea, please? Thank you very much. How much is it? Here you are. Have a nice day. You're welcome. These are simple conversations you can use in real life. Every sentence you practice today becomes easier tomorrow. Now let's learn to describe ourselves. I am kind. I am honest. I am patient. I am friendly. I like learning new things. I enjoy reading. I enjoy listening to music. I love spending time with my family. I like helping people. These sentences help you express your thoughts. Speaking English is not about using big words. It is about sharing simple ideas clearly. Now let's practice looking around your room. This is my chair. This is my table. This is my book. My room is clean. The window is open. The door is closed. My phone is on the table. I can see my speck. Look around you as you speak. Connect the English words with real objects. This makes learning faster and easier. Remember, listening is powerful, but speaking is even more powerful. Every time you repeat a sentence aloud, your mouth becomes more comfortable with English sounds. Your tongue learns new movements. Your ears become sharper. Your confidence grows quietly, one sentence at a time. Maybe today you only understand 70%. That is completely okay. Tomorrow you may understand 75%. Next week you may understand 85%. Improvement happens little by little. Do not rush the process. Trust it. Before we finish today's practice, I want you to repeat these positive sentences one more time. I believe in myself. I enjoy learning English. I listen every day. I speak every day. I am becoming more confident. I am becoming more fluent. I never give up. I learn from my mistakes. I am proud of my progress. Today was a good day. Listen carefully. Repeat aloud. Smile while you speak. Practice every single day, and little by little, English will begin to feel natural. I believe you can do it, and I will be here to practice with you again. Now, let's continue our practice. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I am learning something new today. I enjoy speaking English. I am calm and confident. I speak one sentence at a time. Every day is a new opportunity. Excellent. Now imagine you are leaving your house to go shopping. You walk into a grocery store. The store is clean and bright. There are many people, but you feel relaxed because you are ready to speak English. Repeat after me. Hello, good afternoon. Excuse me. Can you help me? I am looking for milk. Where is the bread? I need some fruit. Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. Wonderful. These are useful expressions that people use every day. Practice them again later until they feel natural. Now imagine you meet your neighbor outside your home. Good morning. How are you today? I am doing well. Thank you. It is a beautiful day. Yes, it is. Have a great day. See you later. Very good. Simple conversations like these help you become comfortable speaking without fear. Now let's talk about your daily routine. Listen and repeat. I wake up early, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a shower, I get dressed, I eat breakfast, I drink a glass of water. I leave for work, I come home in the evening, I spend time with my family. I read before I sleep. I go to bed early. Excellent work. These sentences describe everyday life, so they are very useful. Try saying them again tomorrow without looking at the text. Sometimes you may forget a word while speaking. That is completely normal. Even native English speakers forget words sometimes. When that happens, stay calm. You can use different words to explain your idea. The goal is communication, not perfection. Let's practice some positive thoughts. I can learn anything. I am patient with myself. I am improving every day. I enjoy the learning process. I never stop trying. My confidence is growing. I believe in my future. Beautiful. Say these sentences with energy. Your voice becomes stronger every time you practice. Now imagine you are talking to a friend about your hobbies. What do you like to do? I like reading books. I enjoy watching movies. I love listening to music. I like walking in the park. I enjoy cooking. I like learning English. That sounds interesting. Thank you. These short conversations help you speak naturally in real-life situations. Remember, don't rush your words. Speak slowly and clearly. A slow speaker who is easy to understand is much better than a fast speaker who is difficult to understand. Give every word enough time. Relax your face. Open your mouth clearly when you speak. The more clearly you pronounce each word, the easier people will understand you. Before we finish today's practice, let's repeat a few powerful sentences together. I am confident. I am learning. I am growing. I speak English every day. I enjoy this journey. I believe in myself. Tomorrow I will be even better than I am today. I am really happy that you are still practicing with me. Every lesson you complete is another step toward becoming a confident English speaker. You do not have to compare yourself with anyone else. Your only goal is to become a little better than you were yesterday. Even if you learn only 5 new sentences today, that is still progress. Small improvements every day become amazing results over time. Now take a deep breath and relax. Smile, because learning English should be enjoyable. The more relaxed you are, the more easily your brain remembers new words and sentences. Let's continue speaking together. Repeat after me. Today is a wonderful day. I feel positive. I am ready to practice. I enjoy learning English. I speak with confidence. Excellent. Now imagine you are walking through a beautiful park. The weather is cool and the birds are singing. You see people walking, children playing, and families enjoying their day. Describe what you see. The sky is blue, the sun is shining, the air feels fresh, the trees are beautiful, the flowers are colorful, the birds are singing, people are smiling. Everyone looks happy. I enjoy being here. Very nice. You are learning to describe the world around you. This is one of the best ways to improve your speaking skills. Now imagine you meet a friend in the park. Hello, it's nice to see you. How have you been? I have been very well. What are you doing today? I am taking a walk. Would you like to join me? Yes, I'd love to. Let's walk together. We have a lot to talk about. That sounds great. Wonderful. These simple conversations help you become more comfortable with everyday English. Now, let's practice talking about your dreams. Repeat after me. I have big dreams. I work hard every day. I never give up. I believe in myself. I learn from my mistakes. Every challenge makes me stronger. I am creating a better future. I will reach my goals. Excellent. Remember, confidence does not appear overnight. Confidence grows every time you practice, every time you speak, and every time you refuse to quit. Now let's practice asking and answering simple questions. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What is your favorite food? I like rice and chicken. Where do you live? I live in a peaceful neighborhood. What do you do every evening? I study English and spend time with my family. What do you want to improve? I want to speak English fluently. Very good. These questions are common in everyday conversations. Practice answering them in your own way. Change the answers to match your real life. The more personal your answers become, the easier they are to remember. Sometimes you may feel tired or discouraged. You may think your English is not improving fast enough. When that feeling comes, remember why you started. You started because you wanted new opportunities, better communication, and greater confidence. Don't let one difficult day stop you. Keep moving forward. Every successful English speaker was once a beginner. They improved because they continued practicing, even when it felt difficult. Before we finish today's lesson, Let's say these powerful sentences together one last time. I am proud of myself. I enjoy speaking English. I listen carefully. I speak clearly. I practice every day. I am becoming fluent. I believe in my ability. My future is bright. Thank you for spending this time practicing with me. You are building a strong habit, and that habit will change your English little by little. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep believing in yourself. I am excited to continue this journey with you in the next lesson. Until then, speak English whenever you can, smile often, and remember that every word you speak brings you closer to fluency.